This is a 2021 Harley Davidson Roadglide Special. One of my favorite Harley Davidson models. The color of this 21 Roadglide Special is Billiard Teal. It's not a metallic color. Harley made the billiard color in a blue, a teal, a white, a red, and this is a really great color. Something a little bit different than your usual black. This bike is in excellent, like new condition. It has 1,671 original miles on it. Being the Roadglide Special, it has the fixed fairing. Some people call it a shark nose. You get really excellent aerodynamics with this fairing. It's hooked to the frame, not the front forks and the handlebars. So it makes this bike very nimble, very stable when you're out in the wind or stuck behind a semi. You don't get all the turbulence. It's equipped with a 114 cubic inch engine, and it has been set up with a Stage 1 package, which basically means it has the high flow intake and high flow mufflers, which are Cobra Chrome slip-ons. Gives this bike a really good deep sound, which you'll hear here in just a minute. And then with a Harley Stage 1 download in it, this bike runs really stout. A couple of the features on the 21 are the chrome mustache bar engine guard, a little bit different shape than the big hoops that used to come on them. A completely redesigned gas tank and dash. You don't have the big fuel door on it. Still a 6-gallon tank. Another nice thing is for 21 they changed the wheels to the contrast cut wheel, which this design makes it a lot easier to clean, to keep it looking new. It is the Milwaukee 8 engine, air cooled and oil cooled. Has a huge oil cooler. Just an absolutely beautiful bike. Being the Special, it has the extended saddlebags. It's also equipped with the chrome docking hardware, so you can easily add a detachable backrest, detachable luggage rack, or even a detachable tour pack if you choose. Six-speed transmission, ABS brakes, cruise control, security system, and 12-inch handlebars have been added. It gives this bike a great feel when you're sitting on it, and it looks really cool. Not too high, not too short. It has the GTS boom stereo, which has the color touchscreen, AM, FM, weather band. You can Bluetooth your music into the system or plug it in and control it with the touch screen or the hand controls. GPS navigation. Just a really clean redesign on the gas tank. Painted inner fairing. Couple of storage compartments, one here, one over here, and this one here has a plug-in for your device that will integrate it into the system and charge it at the same time, or you can Bluetooth it in. dual headlights really light up the road. Nice short tinted windshield, really gives the bike a sporty look. If you're in the market for a new Roadglide, take a good look at this 21 Roadglide Special. Really nice color, very well equipped, incredibly low miles. Bike's ready for the road. Don't get stuck paying MSRP or more, and all the dealer charges and title dock fees and prep charges and freight charges and all that other hooey. And call Will at Dream Cycles USA for an out-the-door price that has no added fees. Save yourself a ton of money and get a great bike. Can be reached at 417-343-3696. Can be found on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com. Thank you.